What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Bassetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you are trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain, in addition to staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your T-Fuel tokens to my Elite Edge node. I believe in the making of this video my Elite Edge node may be full. Hopefully near down the future I'll get more, but as of right now I only have one. If you're not able to stake your T-Fuels to that Edge node, you can definitely check out that Guardian node, and either way you're going to earn as much T-Fuel passively as possible in terms of how much you stake, help out my channel, help out the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out, and then you can utilize it however you want on Open Theta, Theta drop, revert it to any of the subchains on Theta, or just send it back to your wallet in terms of USDC or however type of crypto that you use for those stable coins. So either way, there's a lot of utility with it when it comes to Theta, so that's just my own opinion, of course guys. Definitely do your own research before investing. Diving into this video, I feel like it's going to be a little bit shorter as in terms of the information that I have in store for you guys, maybe because I feel like the Theta team is probably just a little bit busy when it comes to releasing it on mobile devices. I believe that's June 26th, the target date as of right now, June 26th of 2024. So we shall see when that is released. It's going to be in like about roughly 2 weeks, a little less than 2 weeks, so we'll stay tuned for that. Starting off on X, we're going to see that here. I did mention this in a previous video, literally the video right before this one, in regards to the Theta team is excited to release the newest addition to the Edge Cloud AI Showcase, an image to video AI model card for the stable video diffusion model from Stability AI. This has also been added to the Elite Edge Cloud Model Explorer dashboard. I'm not going to go on to the article because I already read the instructions for this one before in my previous video before that one, so if you haven't yet, check that out as well. When you click on this, you'll go onto the actual article, and then along with all the links, I just skipped it over onto the actual platform where you can see the image to video. So I did a couple. Here is the first one. You can see the Chicago Bulls logo. I am from the city, so this is why I love Chicago, but unfortunately it was kind of just like a zoom in type of feature. I guess if it was on a big board like they kind of do if you've never been to a basketball game, there's a giant screen, and I guess if they played this, that would be kind of cool, just a little zoom in, but I feel like anyone can edit that. So I did go on Google and I got a dog. So scrolling down a little bit more, you can adjust the frames, the motion bucket. I did do this one also, so the playback speed you'll notice is about half, just because the video is only about a second long. I would believe it's maybe because I'm not the big technological savvy guy here, but I believe it's because of the frames per second. So you can see the seed, I think this right here, it'll tell you, says the seed is used for a random number of generator. Changing this will produce different results. The motion bucket says controls how much motion to add or remove from the image, and then you do have the frames per second. Says the length of your video in seconds will be 25 frames per second. So that's the reason why I believe it's because 25 frames per second, since mine's at 16. That's the reason why. When you increase this scale, it goes to up to 30. So just to keep everything the same, here is the image that I use. You can just go on Google. You don't even have to download anything. Just drag the image, drop it here, and then you can get your video. So remember, this one is about half as long, so basically 2 seconds long. So you can see it's kind of cool. You do see a dog running based on the image that was generated. You do notice a little bit of the funky texture like on the right eye of the dog. I'll play it again. You may not have noticed it, but it kind of like scratches over, so you kind of lose the eye, but you also have to think it is an image to video type of technology, so it's just cool in itself for seeing that. Put some thoughts and comments down below guys, what you think about that, if you've used it, if you used any of the text to image. I'm sure a lot of people have, especially if you were in that type of competition for the recent Theta drop release. It's just so exciting. I can't really stop talking about it, because when you think of this type of technology, the advancements they can go with any kind of entertainment, gaming, healthcare, education, there's so many different routes to go about it, and it's just kind of insane to me. For me myself, when I had just traditional schooling, I haven't really had too much technology. I remember in our class, we had like a smart board where you can get like just the pen that came with it, and then you can draw and erase, and I thought that was cool. So I can't imagine what technology is like now, how this could be used, but we shall see and how that's going to be incorporated in the near future. I feel like after like 3 years maybe this could be incorporated somehow. Continuing on to the next part of this video, Imagine Replay posts, check out the latest update to the replay roadmap, open sourcing on-chain video analytics and token-gated video generation. So this is going to be highlighted some of the new updates for themselves. Some things I do want to mention is here is the product roadmap. So it says welcome. This is intended to provide full transparency and visibility into their roadmap in the upcoming months and quarters, not just a roadmap, but actionable items are tackling. And just a little introduction as to what Replay is, so I'll highlight that because there seems like there's going to be a decent amount of new viewers on this channel. So welcome, and if you haven't yet, please hit that like and subscribe button. Replay is the leading blockchain-based video tracking and payments platform powering the Web3 content economy. Replay is removing monetization friction for content creators and users, deliver unparalleled transparency into viewership and performance. Built on Theta's blockchain protocol, Replay enables digital-ready streams that are trackable on the blockchain and available for distribution via consumption-based model. Replay decentralized video streaming, tracking, and payments all through the Rplay TNT20 token. So overall, just like for those who are on YouTube, if you don't have a YouTube channel, so here are the metrics. So people watch it and then it'll be tallied up based on how many people watch, subscribe, and also many other things taken into consideration. But when it comes to payments, that may be a little bit discrepancy as to how much you're actually truly earning because of the delayed responses and how it needs to be processed in a longer time to analyze that type of viewership. So this is what I believe, in my knowledge, is what I just read to make that type of process a lot quicker and more transparent for not only just the viewer but also the content creator who's making this type of information or just entertainment in general. So that's my whole understanding for this platform, just to make all those creators earn the correct amount for the type of work that they're putting in and investing in. Scrolling a little bit more, I'm not going to read the entirety of it, but you can see the roadmap highlights for June of 2024. It says the cross-chain bridge, open source fully audited video tracking smart contract. You can see everything that's boldened, the Replay protocol dashboard, the developer program, and it says $25,000 opening to all community to build on top of their APIs, come up with the best use case. Replay AI agent says the content recommendations on best movies, TV shows to watch, Web3 knowledge base, text to video AI model integration, and membership level gas fee discounts. It says Replay AI agent on Telegram, and then brand refresh. So it says of Rewarded TV in partnership with soon to be announced leading agency to reflect growing global audience, new content partners, and monetization. So scrolling down just a tad more, you can even see into the detailed Replay roadmap. So not only what I mentioned for the current process of the roadmap, but you can see what they did in quarter 1 of 2024, quarter 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. I believe I can even drag this bar a little bit more so you can see that they're still pending as to the, it says hidden groups, it says backlog June 22. So as of right now, it's just this year's type of roadmap. You see the ones that are completed, like I said, the ones that are completed in this quarter, but you can even see the ones that are currently in progress, starting off with the two here, the Replay token cross bridge to Ethereum, and the content updates. When you click on it, a window will pop up. It says content updates quarter 2. It doesn't say, let's say UFAA VOD and live content on Rewarded TV. It looks like it's still in process. It says last edited of this month in June 6th. So maybe I don't see any notes or anything. Let's go to the ones that are completed. Just says completed. So for those who are trying to keep track of these type of updates on the roadmap for a Replay, here they are. Continuing on to one last piece of information, seeing that Open Theta says subchains, the building blocks of the infinite blockchain scalability for diverse applications, custom tailored solutions for media and entertainment, Web3 efficiency, rapid transaction processing, Theta Meta Chain, powering next-gen streaming services. DM for more information. Any questions, you can go on to Open Theta. So here are just some of the images that they highlighted as well. Seeing the subchains, building blocks of infinite blockchain scalability, kind of repeating the same thing. So here's the diverse applications, media and entertainment, as well as Web3 efficiency. So overall, that's the whole purpose for Theta. I try not to recycle, rinse and repeat certain informations, but it's just nice seeing certain things. Just a little reminder as to what the goal is for those who may have forgotten. But overall, that's all I really have for today's video, guys. Pretty short and sweet, nothing too specific, a little more broad in general, other than just a use case type of showcase for the image to video. So I'm really looking forward to how this is going to be incorporated on the media, entertainment, who knows what other type of gaming in the near future, especially healthcare. I think that'd be really cool. But just drop some comments down below, hit that like button, that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Really am looking forward to how technology will advance in the next 5 to 10 years, especially in my healthcare setting. But until the next one, guys, check out that Imagine Replay. If you're trying to earn as much TNT20 token, it's free, especially on the Theta blockchain, in addition to staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your TVO tokens to my Elite Edge node. Either way, help out my channel, help out the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out, earn as much TFL passively as possible, and then you can utilize it on Open Theta, Theta Drop, any of the subchains or future subchains on Theta, or just withdraw it back to your wallet, guys. Really am looking forward to the future of technology, Theta, Theta Network. Who knows where this YouTube channel will take me, but in the near future, guys, until the next video, until the next update, it is your boy Justin Passetti, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.